video, I'll be demonstrating templates, which is the option within the admin section of Colleague. If you select this, it will take you through to a list of all the templates that have already been created, and in this list you'll have a mixture of document email, and you'll also have email signatures and things like that. And you can basically filter this list by showing as little as 10 records on one page or 100 records on one page by selecting the options here. And you can select the scope, which is where you'll find that template. So for example, in a candidate record, these will be the options for templates. And you can filter again by selecting the type, so document, email, email signature, or colleague AI. And you can filter again by file type, so whether that's been created on Colleague or whether you've uploaded a document. And you can filter again by generating on pars, so whether that option was selected as yes or no when the template was being created. So once you're happy with the list, you can select any of the options and edit as you please by selecting any of the applicable drop downs or inputting any information you'd like to change, and then that will save automatically for you. If you'd like to delete the template, you just go to the option along the top where it says delete template, and an option will appear basically making sure that you would like to. If you do, select delete. If not, cancel. And if you'd like to create a new template, you basically go to the option along the top where it says new template, and once you've selected this, you can input the applicable information. So the first one is the type, so what type of template are you creating? In this case, we'll create an email, and the scope is where you'll find this email template, so for example a candidate record. In the description you'll pop in what this template is for, so for example if it's a first contact, and then once you've selected the scope, the applicable merge fields will appear in this option here. So if you select the drop down, and in here you're able to select whatever merge fields you'd like to include in the template. So for example their name, or if you would like to include GDPR consent, or if it's been rejected or anything like that, you can pop it in here, and that merge field would appear in the text box below. And then you can pop in the subject of the email here. So for example if it's a welcome email, you could put welcome. If there's anything you would like to attach in this email, you just select this plus sign here and search for the criteria. So let's say CV, and then you press search, and it will come up with multiple records that are applicable. So for example, you'd like to include a contact, you select that, and if there's any attachments within that record, once you've selected it, the options will appear here. But in this case there's none available, so what we'll do is we'll just cancel. And then in this text box you can pop in the body of the template, so the information you'd like to be included in that template. And then once you're happy, you can select save template, and that will save that for you, or if you'd like to cancel, you just press cancel and that will go away. I hope this helps.